With PSSE, Siemens PTI offers a comprehensive high-end analysis software solution for all your transmission system planning needs. The PSSE base package can also be further enhanced to include a rich ecosystem of optional add-on modules. Siemens PSSE is a fast and robust power flow solution for a variety of network models up to 200,000 buses. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get started with power flow simulation and analysis. Begin by opening the PSSE application and then open the Power Flow Network case. Click File, Open, File. You can also navigate to this window by clicking the Open icon on the toolbar. Navigate to or type the name for the file you'd like to open. You can determine the operating state of the network by running power flows. To do this, click Power Flow, Solution, Solve, or use the Solve button on the toolbar. From this window, select the Power Flow Solution method and adjust the other options as needed. When you're finished, click Solve, Close. Review the progress window, noting certain messages such as reached tolerance in iterations, which tells whether power flow is converged or not. On a slider diagram, to show power flow results, choose Diagram from the menu, and click Results to show Power Flow Results. You can also see results using the LF button on the toolbar. Zoom in to see diagram details. You can move the diagram around to see the legend. To see the voltage profile contour diagram, select Diagram, Contouring, Enable Contouring. The contouring shows the voltage profile of the entire network. When it comes to power transmission planning and operations, Siemens PSSE Power Flow Simulation and Analysis has you covered.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.